you're losing 2 hours every single day to tasks that AI can do in 2 minutes. Here are 5 tools that are quietly making some people unfairly productive, and most people have never heard of them. First up is Notion.ai. If you're still writing meeting notes by hand or summarizing documents manually, you're behind. Notion.ai sits inside your workspace and can summarize a 40-page report in 30 seconds, auto-generate action items from your notes, and even draft entire project plans from a single sentence prompt. The free tier gets you started. Next is Otter.ai. Every meeting you attend without recording it is a memory you're trusting to disappear. Otter joins your Zoom or Google Meet automatically, transcribes everything in real time, and hands you a searchable summary the moment the call ends. No more, "Wait, what did we decide?" emails. Free plan covers 300 minutes a month, more than enough to start. Number 3 is Reclaim.ai, and this one is underrated. It connects to your Google Calendar and automatically schedules your deep work, habits, and tasks around your meetings. It literally defends your focus time so other people can't book over it. If you've ever ended a week wondering where your time went, this is the answer. Free plan available, 4th. And yes, I'm including this because most people still aren't using it right. Is AI writing assistance? Not just asking it to write emails for you. The real move is using it as a thinking partner. Paste in a problem you're stuck on and ask it to poke holes in your plan. Ask it to rewrite your last email, but half the length. Ask it to turn your messy bullet points into a clear memo. People who've figured this out are doing in 20 minutes what used to take 2 hours. Last one is Zapier, the glue between everything else. Zapier automates the repetitive handoffs between your apps. New lead fills out a form? Zapier adds them to your spreadsheet, sends them a welcome email, and creates a task in your project manager, automatically while you sleep. Free plan covers 100 tasks a month. If you've never set up a single Zap, start today. The first one you build will save you an hour a week for the rest of your life. These 5 tools, Notion.ai, Otter, Reclaim, Claude, and Zapier, are not hacks. They're the baseline for anyone serious about getting more done in less time. I've linked all of them below with the free tiers called out. If this was useful, subscribe. I test these tools every week so you don't have to.